In today's video, we head to the port of Nassau, where we meet up with Jacques, the Carnival insider, for his insider shopping party. After that, we explore the rest of Nassau, including the world-famous Straw Market. And after some relaxation, turtle watching, and some lovely shrimp ceviche, we head back to the ship for sail away, a beautiful sunset, and a delicious dinner. All that and more starts now. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome to Nassau. That's right. We are pulling into Nassau right now, and sadly, for some reason, even though we're probably one of the smallest ships here, we are pulling to the farthest away slip. We have so much walking we need to do now, and I am not sure why, because again, we're the smallest ship. You know why? Because we're pulling in nose to nose with the, does that say the Pride? I can't tell. It's another smaller Carnival ship. So I wonder, they're not, maybe they don't have a large ship like the Icon or something here today. So they're going to have the two smaller Carnivals kith. So yeah, I don't know. But that means we're going to do a lot of walking. Dang, I was really hoping we wouldn't. But that's okay. Yeah, bright and early here in Nassau. We're passing by Royal Caribbean's new whatever they're doing here in Nassau. And of course we got Atlantis on the horizon there. So I'm going to do what's called a shopping party through the ship. Basically the Carnival insider, the guy who helps you shop, and gives you the best deals, is offering a private shopping party where we are going to walk around Nassau and go to all these different places. They're going to give us a bunch of free stuff, and we're going to look at all the things that they have on offer as well. I've never done anything like this. We will find out today in this video here in Nassau. Okay, well, we have made it up here to the buffet and got myself a ham and cheese omelet. So basically the deli and the pizza have both turned into omelet stations. We got 20 minutes until we're supposed to meet. So finish up my food and then head down there to Jacques' desk and meet up with the rest of the people going on the shopping party. Okay, so I've met up with Jacques and the rest of the shopping crew. We were going over that Insider Guide, which is a book that I bought yesterday at the SEE show, S-E-E, which is Shop, Eat, Explore. That Insider book was $25, and it gives you a bunch of like free things at different places. And so I was just going over with Jacques what is included, what, you know, what's here in Nassau, because it covers a multitude of ports. So he has given me the insider scoop because he is, of course, the Carnival insider. That is his title. He's the insider shopping guide. I'm not a big spender when it comes to shopping things, so this is just all experimental. So we'll see. And now begins the long walk. Should have brought my sun hat. But look, there's the paradise. Jeez. Okay, so I have switched over to the Insta360 X4 with the new Mic Air. See how this works. This way I can kind of show you what we're doing and talk while we're doing it. A little more easier to move around in space. So Jacques led us out of the port area and into the heart of the shopping here in Nassau. He would take the group into predetermined shops and introduce us to the staff.
Of course, they would gladly walk around with us, looking at any of the things we are interested in. On many occasions, I was offered water, beer, rum punch, or sodas, as they want you to feel at home. Now, throughout the shopping show yesterday on the ship, we were introduced to a ton of different jewelry, and it really is an impressive list. Each one of these stores offers something special, whether that's the Crown of Light diamond or tanzanite jewelry sets, shirts that change color in the sun, or bamboo-made sheets, elegant timepieces. They have it all on offer. Now, to entice you to go into their store, they offer a trinket for free and a drawing at a certain time for your specific ship, a way to draw you in and keep you there. Many of the people from the Paradise who had their eyes on something before the shopping party did end up buying things here, and it seemed like they were quite pleased with the price compared to the state. So I think if you're looking for something in particular, this could be a great way to save a few dollars and to buy something in a place where memories are made, which would make every time that you look at that piece, you'll be reminded of the amazing cruise vacation you had. Well, that wraps up the shopping party. Let's head out on our own and explore Nassau. Thanks, Jacques, for all your help and shopping guidance.
Well, our shopping trip is now over, and we have made our way here to kind of the central area where the straw market is. It was a ghost town, 2021, when we were here, like literal ghost town. The Bahamas was really struggling, really struggling. They had shutdowns, lockdowns for probably like another 9 months after our shutdown lifted. So we're just gonna walk around and look at some of these handcrafted goods. You know, for a straw market, there's an awful lot of cotton. Get it? Because there's cotton t-shirts made in China. So when I usually come here, I don't usually do what I did here and go for a travel. Excuse me, sorry.
Yes, sir.
What I usually do is I'll walk through the port area and then come out here towards Señor Frog's and Lukka Kairi. Okay, so that's the door you come out of. Once you come out here, then you're gonna be a little jostled.
All right.
But I do a lot of tours and stuff from this area here.
Big boat. Like to do a boat ride around the island. Hour and a half sightseeing tour.
Now, a lot of people go to Señor Frog's here. That's tradition, but I usually opt for this, Lukka Kairi. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how I've been saying it forever. In this area, usually you can find some sea turtles. And you get a great shot of the ships. Well, the shrimp ceviche has come, and it is a very large bowl. So I wish I had friends with me here, or family, to help me with this delicious but large bowl of ceviche. So why don't you subscribe to the channel so you can come along with me virtually on all of these and dig in to this shrimp ceviche virtually.
So here is just a really quick walkthrough of the port terminal area of Nassau. I will have this in a separate video so you can kind of hear my narration about all the different things they have here. They have tons of shopping, lots of food and drinks, and then a lot of handmade goods and souvenirs, including the Museum of the Junkanoo.
And that's that. And now we're through, heading back to the ship. That's the port of Nassau. So now I'm going to throw us into a time lapse and show you how to, just like that, zoom your way back to the ship. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, back on the ship. We've started the ship tour. I am hot and sweaty. It is absolutely scorching here, even though it's December. The Bahamas is always hot. I am doing basically a ship tour from the top to the bottom. So we're here on what used to be the topless deck back in the 90s, early 2000s. This deck was an adults only topless deck. Don't ask me why I remember that. Anyways, Goonies never say the truth, or never tell a lie, or whatever it is, say die. The big Carnival funnel behind me, do a thumbnail. How's that? Is that a good thumbnail? We'll tilt it up a little bit. Hey! Pretend like it's going, I don't know. Okay, back to the ship tour.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we have come back up to deck 11 to the front of the ship. The bridge extends out of the ship so that they can stand and look along the side of the ship, which gives us a bird's eye view of the gangway. So if we have any pier runners, we're right here. We're looking right at them. Okay, it is officially 3:33, so they have started packing up one of the 2 gangways. I don't see any running, but people are still getting on. So we are past the point of no return. Okay, so we are currently at about 7 minutes after 4, and the final runners, walkers, slowly waited for a go-kart runners, finally got on the ship. It did not seem like it was a excursion. It did seem like it was just one family. And it did seem like one of the ladies was having a hard time getting back physically, not drunk or anything. So they ended up having to grab one of the carts to kind of corral her up. But not too bad. 4:10, that's not terrible. 40 minutes is pretty average, I guess. Yeah, should have the time lapse set up, ready to go. So we'll go into a time lapse. Beautiful sun setting. The sun had come out. We didn't get rained on, so looks like everything turned out well. So we'll check out this time lapse and hopefully sail into the sunset and dinner, because I'm hungry. So we've made it here to dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the menu up here. Pause if you want to check it out. Looks pretty good. I did end up in Nassau when we had the ceviche. I ate a lot of that ceviche, and that really tided me over. So that Lukka Kairi out there, that little pier next to Señor Frog's, I highly suggest anybody that wants to like not do anything but do something in Nassau, go check out Lukka Kairi. Can I start with the beef spring rolls?
Yes.
And then I'll do the broccoli and cheddar cheese soup.
Yep.
If I could try that street salad from
sure.
Emerald's, yeah. And then if I could do the fish, the Emerald's fish, and then if I could also do the roasted sirloin.
Sirloin, I like it medium rare or medium well?
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yep. And then if I could do the banana cream pie.
Banana cream pie.
Yes. And if I could do a Sprite, that would be great.
Right, sure.
Yes.
Can I see a card for the Sprite?
Yes. Well, dinner was really good. That salad was like a Caesar salad with bacon and hard-boiled eggs and stuff. Super good. But I have come back to the room, showered, changed. I'm all clean now, and I am trying to figure out what I'm doing. Doors open for comedy in the Queen Mary Lounge. When does comedy start? 8:30. Okay. You know what? We're going to try it. We are going to go to the comedian. Patrick, Becca, aren't you proud of me? Let's go check it out. I don't know if you can film. Most of them you're not allowed to film at, so I'll probably just walk out with a smile on my face and then I'll start talking to you again. So we'll see you in a moment. Okay, made it into the Punchliner Comedy Club. Not a bad little spot here. I'll give you a little overview real quick. So this thing fills up really quickly. I never understood why, because I don't really do the whole thing, but it's very, we're getting in the mood now. It's time. I'll see you after the show. Okay, I take it back. He didn't say a word about the buffet, which was very nice. This guy was actually a older guy, and he did a lot of like you remember when jokes back in the day type stuff, and they were entertaining. Had a great day in Nassau, which is really fun to say. Pretty much got all of the ship tour with the VR camera done. So I'm doing 2 ship tours. One is with this camera where I'm going to walk and talk and do a voiceover, and it'll be fine. It'll be here on the channel. The second one is this camera here, which is a 3D, 180 degree stereoscopic 3D video. So if you have a VR headset and you'd like to see things in 3D, virtual reality, that's my other channel called From My Eyes VR. There's a link to it as well as all of our other channels down in the description below. It's all the way down at the bottom. There's some pretty cool things that I've done in virtual reality that I think is really cool. It just doesn't really fit on this channel per se. Well, that's all I got for you today. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.